Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the keyboard type, because the steps differ. Bluetooth requires pairing, USB-C is plug-and-play, and dongles need a free USB port. Once done, charge the keyboard above 20% and activate pairing mode or plug the cable firmly. On your tablet, open Settings and navigate to Bluetooth or USB options. This prepares the device to accept a new input. Make sure to disable conflicting wireless adapters and keep devices within 3-4 meters for reliable initial connection. Next, pair and verify the keyboard. Tap its name in Bluetooth and follow any on-screen PIN prompts. This secures the link. For USB-C keyboards, plug in and check settings, right arrow accessibility, right arrow physical keyboard to map layout and repeat rate. This avoids layout mismatches. If your keyboard has a companion app or firmware, install it now to enable macros, layers, or updated drivers. Once installed, restart the tablet or reconnect the keyboard so the system registers new input behavior and settings correctly. Finish by testing Tab, Shift-Tab, and modifier keys inside a Notes app to confirm expected behavior. This validates both physical and logical mappings. If keys misbehave, repair the device, update keyboard firmware, or switch to a different USB adapter. Small hardware differences often cause failures. If nothing works, reset the keyboard to factory mode, then repeat pairing. This clears stale settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if latency persists, move away from crowded 2.4 GHz sources and retry on a different channel or USB port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.